Do you want to earn money just by simply watching videos and advertisements? Or do you want to earn just by doing simple tasks such as taking online surveys? Well, let me tell you, it is possible. You can earn as much as $5 per task repeatedly just by simply clicking and watching. You won't even have to learn any new skills, sell any products, or go somewhere else. Just in the comfort of your own home, in front of your computer, laptop, tablet, or even mobile phone, you can already start earning money. In this video, we will help you go through 2 websites where you can start watching videos and earn up to $500 or more per day without any training or prior experience. This is 100% free as it does not require a credit card or any money just so you can earn. And it also operates anywhere in the world, so if you are not in the United States, don't worry, this video is still for you. You can still earn money wherever you are. Just visit and download the websites and apps I will mention in this video. Follow all the steps I will discuss and stay with me until the end so you can find out how you can make money from these websites just by watching videos and answering simple online surveys. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first website is AdWallet. Earning on this site is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is watch videos and view the advertisements. They will show you how much time you have actually spent watching, and depending on how long that would be, they will compensate you accordingly. And once you have hit $10, you can start cashing out your earnings using either PayPal, bank transfer, gift card, or donation. In addition, if you spend some time answering a few easy questions after watching those videos, you will also be able to earn bonus money. Just one video and you can earn twice. And for every friend you will refer, it will also pay you an extra $1. And that does not end there. You can also download offers from the companies you love and cash them out. It's that simple, and it is totally free as well. Just download the app, sign up, and start watching videos to start earning money. Have you signed up for the site or app already? If not, what are you waiting for? Take out your laptop or computer, visit, download, and sign up on AdWallet. Follow the instructions I have provided so you can start your money-making journey just by watching videos, answering some easy questions, referring a friend, and even just downloading offers. As easy as that. So go ahead, do not miss out on this chance to earn extra cash. Now, before we go back to the video, if you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel for more learning about making money online. Hit the like button if you are liking the video so far. Now, back to the video. The next website is Box Inside. Simply browse through the websites of different advertisers, click on any ads, start watching them, and start earning money by receiving payments every 10 seconds. You can also cash out your earnings instantly within 24 hours and start receiving your payment right away. In addition, the best thing about this website is that you can start withdrawing your money once you reach $2 only. Imagine, only $2. Unlike other sites where you need to earn tens of dollars first just to cash out, $2 is a very low minimum threshold that you can easily achieve. And you can be paid through a variety of payment methods as well, including Payza, AdVcash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payeer, Skrill, Bitcoin, and Neteller. Now, how do you earn money by watching advertisements? Simple. Just click on one of these ads, watch a short video, stay there for at least 30 seconds, then that's it. You can start earning money already. And the best part? You can do this repeatedly again and again and still get paid. Have you checked Box Inside already? Remember that doing so is free. So make sure to sign up and register for this website. click the register button and proceed to the registration page. When you arrive at this page, you must enter your username, email address, and the currency you wish to be paid in. Then select your preferred payment method, depending on which one you are most comfortable with. As easy as that. You don't need to do any complicated tasks or accomplish hour-long surveys. Just watch ads and start receiving payments within 24 hours. Would you be interested in that? I hope you will not miss out on this opportunity to earn extra money. Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.